Hello, it's Mez and
Janice.
We've recently returned from a mini holiday at Rainbow Beach. Rainbow Beach is 150 kilometres north of the Sunshine Coast via the M1 highway.
And it took us about 1 hour 50 minutes to get there, but we did have to stop for fuel.
The highway to Gympie has been upgraded and it is really good now.
And quite a pretty drive, isn't it?
It is.
Yes.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
We stayed at the Rainbow Beach Holiday Village.
This is where you park your vehicle, so that's a good thing. That's better than most. I might just turn the fridge off for a second.
The Rainbow Beach Holiday Village is an ideal location right in town. It's got cafes, a food mart, pharmacies,
Bakery. Chip shop.
a hotel, a hairdresser. So,
Novelty shops.
yes,
Everything really, hasn't
everything you need really. And across the road from the beach.
it? Yes.
And it's a very popular town with tourists. There are a lot of international tourists there because a lot of people come to see the coloured sands along the beach, and they also, it's a close point to going to Fraser Island, which is the world's largest sand island. And we were really pleased because we got a really good sight.
It was just across the road from the sea, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
Yeah. And we could look out the window of our motorhome and see the sea, couldn't we?
Yes,
It was really
it
beautiful.
was. What was your favourite thing we did at the Rainbow Beach?
Well, because we had a great park, we were just across the way, over the road from the water. My favourite thing was I had a little seat there in the park, and it was up on a hill, and I used to love going across and sitting on it, and it overlooks the whole of the sea. It was just beautiful there.
What was your other favourite thing to do?
In the afternoon, as it got very hot in the motorhome, you put the chairs outside, and there was a beautiful breeze from the sea, and we went out there and sat in the chairs, and all these different species of birds came up and watched them. It was beautiful, wasn't it?
It was very relaxing.
What was yours?
I loved walking on the beach. It's a really nice beach there, and they've got the coloured sands. One thing you have to be careful of when you walk at the Rainbow Beach, though, is you have to look out for the four-wheel drives because they drive along the beach there.
The first 2 days were absolutely magnificent, weren't they? Then after that it got overcast.
We had some times when it rained really suddenly, really hard.
And then the sun had come out. It was like sun showers, big sun showers.
Yes, with very heavy rain in between.
Yeah.
The amenities at the RV park are really good. The bathrooms are clean and the showers are good. They have a couple of basic kitchens and there is a nice swimming pool too. When we left Rainbow Beach, we called into Tin Can Bay. Thank you for watching.